Hi guys, we're back with another video. In our last video, we learned how to access Destiny Discover. We learned how to use it, and now we're going to learn what to do when you're ready to come pick up your books. Okay, now this video is really good for anybody that is here at school, but it's also perfect for all of you who are learning virtually right now. Now, let's say you're not in the library and you want a certain book and you want it as soon as you can get it. For example, let's pretend I want Body in the Woods. So I type it in. I would search for it. And it looks like I've got two copies. One is out, and I know by the little red triangle, but one is in. I would really like to read that book, but I can't come to the library right now, so what do? I simply press the hold button. And the system recognizes that you would like to read that book. Now, what will happen here is not quite straightforward as you think it is. You would think he would just come down and we have the book ready for you immediately. Well, that's not the case. You're going to have to wait to receive an email notification from me or our new library assistant, Ms. Taylor, who will tell you when the book is ready for you to pick up. Now, if you are a virtual learner, you will also receive an email from one of us giving you the details of how to pick up your item. So keep in mind, as soon as you put something on hold, it's not necessarily ready for you at the moment, but will be ready for you shortly after you receive an email notification.